Sechelt. We just came down off that road, did a big, huge hilly bypass of the highway through neighborhoods, and took this bike trail that some construction crews decided to destroy and wiped out, and came down through someone's driveway and felt like a jackass again. But I found $10 up there, so yeah, that's good. And I'm looking around for a campsite, and I think I just stumbled upon something wonderful. Yes, this is better than I could have hoped. Check it out. That's fresh water coming out of the ground. That puppy likes the drinky water. The sweet aroma of driftwood smoke from up above, and I thought it was too good to be true. Well, I don't know whether to repent my sins or cook dinner right now. It's a burning stump, burning all by itself. Someone obviously lit it. And then left a half-burnt beer can like a douche. A patch of gravel in between the driftwood is just flat enough and just big enough for a tent. Zora folks camping. I went with dinner. That's gonna be good. That's a blood orange. And that sounds really good to me. We'll see. Special Zora treat here from the wonderful baker at Wheatberries in Davis Bay. She told me to give this to Zora when we were at camp, when we were done for the day. Niffy nipper. Do you like that? Oh yeah, think about that. Oh, you want it. Oh, the nipper wants it. Hey, wait, it's in paper. There you go, sweetie. Wait. Chew. 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 From the knees. If it's not one thing, it's the other. Yeah, wear pants. I can't wear pants. Believe me, the results, the consequences of wearing pants are much worse than bleeding from the knees. But there's yesterday, and there's today. Two totally different things. Fell on my bike. Yeah, I fell on top of it. It was worse for the bike than it was for me, but I'm bleeding again. Yeah, but up or something. Yeah. Yeah, but up or something. My puppy's getting very good at eating out of a bag, just like me. Time to crack a tin hat. Townsite Brewing. Oh, that's a fine beer. Come on, please. Take your ear off, please. Rawr! Rawr! She was just growling at me. Rawr! Rawr! You got me. I see skies of blue, big ocean views. Anything would do, as long as I'm with you. And I think to myself, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The ultras are holding up pretty well. Definitely recommend these recycling shoes. or hiking. But they're excellent clipless biking shoe. And when you're pushing a mountain bike that weighs as much as you up a hill, they don't let you down. I got the typical toe peeling here, so put super glue in it and then held it down with tuck tape for a little while, and it's good now. I might do it again if I have to, but these things are good. I've been riding them over with the bike. Supposed to rain today, so I got to try out my new hybrid shelter setup for the first time. Got my 3x3 tarp and my semi-freestanding tent. Instead of having the fly that comes with the tent, I'm using the tarp over it, and this gives me a whole bunch of different options, like this one. Got the bike sheltered as well. Oh, there's a little coyote in there. She's a sea wolf. She's not a coyote, she's a sea wolf. It's my good wolf. Lazy puppy today. Yeah. Just barely make out Vancouver Island back there a little while ago, but I had a nearly dead battery in my phone and it was refusing to allow me to use my camera until I charged or changed the battery. I don't know if you can see that haze in the background there, that layer on the bottom. That's Vancouver Island. Inferno rages on. This whole stump is going to burn away. As well as editing videos, I'm planning a course for tomorrow, trying to figure out which route to take through here. That big red line is the highway, and we try to stay off of that come hell or high water. That's not a good place to be. Good morning, sleepy leapy. Let's go to bed. Crawled out of the tent. Pretty too bad, is it? Oh yeah, it's raining. I don't know if I told you about that. I think you could probably tell. The Inferno stump actually made it through high tide, which goes to show how smart the people who lit it on fire and figured the tide would take care of it really were. But nonetheless, it's a good thing for me because I'm here. So I piled up all this extra driftwood on here. I got a big, beautiful fire first thing this morning with no work. I'm gonna make coffee. So much coffee. I don't even... Maybe all I will do today is drink coffee and edit videos. Oh wow, actually sounds nice. I learned this trick to collect water from a slow trickle from the Appalachian Trail vlogging community. Get a little leaf, put it in the stream, use a rock to hold the end down so the water flows onto it. It acts like a little spout and you can get your bottle under it. my good girl likes to be cozy in the tent when it's raining. Oh, my Dewey's all cozy. Aren't you jealous? Yeah, look at the waves. Oh, I love that sound. I'm going to bury my head in my sleeping bag later. Turn my screen brightness all the way down to 0. Make some good videos. First, more coffees and porridge. Well, we were golden for a while there, but then it started raining sideways and I had to make a whole bunch of adjustments to the tarp while I was in the middle of making another coffee. So, I got a lot of gear soaked, but no big deal. I got clothes draped everywhere, sitting here in my underwear with my high-vis vest on, and drinking hot coffee. I'm gonna get my sleeping bag too. All's well. I better check the tide chart. Could come up higher than last night. Didn't put our fire out last night though, and we're quite a lot higher than our fire. Alright, I just packed up most of my stuff in case this storm pushes the tide up into where we're camping and we have to move. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Just being prepared. Pretty ominous though, it's pretty threatening. Look at how hard those waves are crashing there, and that's not high tide yet. It's probably going to come up that seaweed, and then it's probably going to push further up that log. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, right now, I get to try out my poncho. There I am, I get to try out my poncho. Zora misses them already. Oh, the puppy misses her puppy friends. Oh, there goes the last of her puppy friends. There's my pea! She's my pea. I'm a pie. Just a nimble pie. Do you want to come inside? Come on. Come on in. My Doogarooga, did you need some friends? Like a dogger. She's like a dogger. Oh, dogs just come to us. Oh, You can finally see Vancouver Island back there. Well, it's in the middle of rain. I don't know if it goes far as storm, but middle of a downpour. I still long her, I still long to hold her once more. Things for like $1.99 in BC. And they're good. They're not craft beer or local or anything, it's just, damn, $2. That's good. Doing our bike lucky boo boo. Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. It's just a pee. It's a pee. Woo. It's the only one of my blackberry cuts I can still feel. It's a doozy. Let's see if it'll focus. Please. Thank you. There it is. Ooh. Well, this is looking promising. Sunset and for breaking through the rain.